Happy Friday! Today is 5 Favorite Things Friday, where I share with you 5 favorite things I've been loving in the past month. Basically, it's just a show and tell session, and you might find something that would also be useful in your life that you might want to have, and I want to share it with you. Hi, I'm Sean, Melanoma Mom. Welcome to my channel. Join my mission to prevent skin cancer by subscribing to this channel and wearing sunscreen. Okay, let's start off with a product that every person who wears sunscreen needs, especially if you wear white tops. This is especially for you. Do you ever get those sunscreen stains from wearing tinted sunscreen or makeup on the collar of your shirt, specifically your white or light colored clothing, and it just won't come off, and then you just end up with yellow stains everywhere? Well, a viewer of mine reached out and asked this very question. I shared with her this product right here, OxiClean Stain Stick, that I use to treat that yellow stain, and it gets it out. Now you have to make sure when you take off your shirt at the end of the day that you put it on there, the stain stick on there. You can leave it sitting there for a couple of days. You don't have to immediately put it in the washing machine. It can sit in your dirty laundry hamper with the stain stick on there, and then when you wash it, pop in those OxiClean tablets or the powder, and the two together, it'll come out without the yellow stains. Now, if a yellow stain has been sitting on your shirt and you have not treated it with OxiClean and you wash it, it may or may not come out, because I have this one shirt with a yellow stain on the sleeve that evidently I had sunscreen on it and I did not realize it when I washed it, because I remember treating the collar and a little bit of the button where the neck was, but I didn't even think to look at the arm, and the yellow is permanently there. I suffer from migraines. I figured out my triggers. It is the weather pressure coming in, stress, if I eat too much sugar, and stress, and allergies. A sinus headache for me will sometimes develop into a migraine. But if I can catch it early, I love putting things. I was putting heat packs on my eyes, and then sometimes ice. The ice was iffy with helping. Heat packs worked better for me, but I discovered an eye massager, and it's a game changer, because you can't open your eyes anyways when you have a migraine. You got to keep them closed. You're too sensitive for the light. Man, I'll just pop in a podcast or listen to a TV show, and it'll massage your temples all around your eye. It applies light pressure to your eyeballs. I think you can play music through it. I know you can, it has different settings. You can change the heat setting to make it cooler or hotter, and you can change the amount of pressure that the massager portion is putting on your eyes. It's a game changer. Everybody who suffers with migraines needs one of these. Okay, it's fall. I like to have cozy candles around the house, but you all know that I have cats. So you can't see, but right up here above the fireplace is the mantle, and that's the only place that is safe for my actual candles that I light with fire, because the cats are able to get everywhere. So I found these lamps. They're really pretty. They have on the cord, you easily turn them on with a roll of your thumb, and they warm up the candle, and it does a fantastic job. You can't just smell this cider candle in my bedroom. You can smell it through the hallway as well. You can adjust how much heat comes from the lamp. You can adjust the size to fit the size of the candle. If you have a taller candle, the lamp portion moves up and down. This is fantastic, especially for those of you who love candles but don't want to have an open flame. One of my things I've been trying to do is eat better breakfast. I love having toast with some butter and some jelly for breakfast. But one, it doesn't fill me up. Two, it just helps me crave sugar more, because it's just sugar. The bread has sugar, the jelly has sugar, and I need to cut back on my sugar. So I am back into protein shakes. I used to do protein shakes a long time ago. So I needed a new personal blender that just did 1 cup. Quick, put it on there. And I know this has been around forever, the Ninja blender. And I know people have raved about it. Y'all, it actually is good. Like, I only have to do it like 3 times, 5 to 7 seconds, and my protein shake is ready to go. It cuts through ice. It blends through vegetables and frozen vegetables and frozen fruits like it was nothing. Is it called the Magic Bullet? The Ninja Magic Bullet? It's a reason why it's so popular. And I'm just now getting on board. Loving it. This one surprised me. My eyes are very sensitive to chemical sunscreens and scent, and this product has both, but for some reason it does not irritate my eyes. Maybe it's because I put concealer on top of it and like an eye primer, and so it doesn't ever have a chance to go in my eyes. But I've done that with other chemical sunscreens and it burns my eyes and I wear contacts, so I can't have anything messing with my eyeballs. And it's just so quick, it's just so easy. So if I have a sunscreen that I love to wear on my face, but I know it's gonna irritate my eyes, I just swipe that on. You can swipe it on anytime during the day. It can also be used, you know, for around your ears, around your nose, anywhere on your face and body that you need a little extra hydration, a little extra sun protection. I would say it's a natural matte finish. So today's a great day to wear sunscreen. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.